The Hairline International Private Limited in Bangalore, we have started using ASL matrix, which is going to help in hair multiplication. Hair transplantation, routine and usual hair transplantation is done by two methods. One is that FE technique and FUT technique. Both the technique, there will be a hair loss in the donor area. Like if you want to transplant the hair in the balded frontal or recipient area, we have to take the follicle from the back and we have to put it there. So there will be loss of hair follicles in the back side, that is the donor area. And this hair multiplication technique, which is an added technique to the existing FE or FUT technique, where we pluck the hair from the donor area, which is androgenic resistant area. From there, the plucked hair is dipped in ASL matrix and PRP, so that the hair which is plucked out will grow in the recipient area if it is implanted in the recipient area, and also the donor area where we have plucked, there also hair will grow. So negative, in the nutshell, there will be no hair loss. Suppose if you pluck, they put 3000 hair, there will be 30% growth in the plucked hair. Roughly around 1000 follicles hair can grow without any hair loss from the donor area. So you can maintain the donor density in the back side. This ASL matrix is mainly derived from the porcine bladder. It is ASL means there is no cell. It contains only the collagen and the protein. So this helps in attracting. Whenever this ASL matrix is introduced into the area of the injury, this ASL acts as a scaffolding. It attracts the neighboring mesenchymal cells to that area, and also it helps in the growth of the new blood vessels. In nutshell, it helps in growth of the forming the structure of the hair follicles. Okay, this ASL matrix also helps in the growth of the new tissue in the surrounding, which is site specific. Suppose if you apply this ASL matrix with an amputated finger, in that region the full hair, full finger will grow. Like that same, similarly what they have noticed in the hair transplantation, by using the ASL matrix and the PRP, we are able to get the good density and the good growth of the transplanted area. ASL matrix has recently been it is in the practice in several places, and even in USA also several doctors are using the same technique. Even in the other places in India also they are using the same technique. But in the Bangalore, especially in Karnataka, especially in Bangalore, we are the first one to introduce this ASL matrix for the area of the hair transplantation procedures. And we have already used in several patients. We are getting a very good results compared to those cases where we have not used the ASL matrix and PRP. And this hair multiplication technique also we have been introduced, and few patients we have done, and we are waiting for the outcome. I think that if it is successful, it is going to give a added benefit to the procedures, because here in the hair multiplication procedure there is no hair loss. Because the plucked hairs, the hairs will be there, remain in the donor area, and also the plucked hair, whatever the plucked hair we have taken out and we have put it in the recipient area, that hair also will grow. So this is an advantage to the patient. So now we have extracted platelet-rich plasma. We have taken the blood from the patient and we have extracted the platelet-rich plasma, and we are going to add this ASL matrix into this platelet-rich plasma. So both will add it together. It will improve the growth of the transplanted area, because ASL matrix acts as a scaffolding, and it helps in the formation of new blood vessels, and also it forms the it will push the mesenchymal cell to the area where we are transplanting, and those mesenchymal cells helps in forming the infrastructure, supportive structures for the hair follicles to grow. And this platelet-rich plasma is it's a very well known one of the method for the hair growth. So this platelet-rich plasma, which contains a rich platelets, helps in the the platelet which upon releasing the so many growth factors, it's going to help the follicles to grow at the faster rate, and also it gives a strengthy and long follicles.